kitchen, we have juice, and we have our green pepper. So I want to take time to thank everyone here. We have a good teamwork, very good teamwork, and I'm more than happy to work with the team. And I will give time to have a lady here, so I know that she cooks, and then she will take time to eat, and after that she will give the feedback. Yes.
Thank you.
Everyone is a teacher. No. He will have also his cards, no problem. Don't worry about his own. Okay. So and then Mr. Tokonto, I know that you like this kind of food. It's one of the reasons why I choose. And you will have time to eat and give me feedback. So everyone here, follow me?
Sure.
Can I continue?
Yeah.
Why Mr. Tokoto I like this? I want to see your smile now.
How do you see now?
Okay, it's better like this. So thank you so much. It's a pleasure to me to work with this team. So I will give time. Can you help me?